Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a ghost video, only way. Place your camera on a tripod and set it to manual exposure and white balance immediately to avoid flicker and color shifts. Light the scene with a single soft source and block unwanted spill. Rehearse the actor's timing and mark positions on the floor. Shoot multiple takes with small variations and review playback to refine movement and timing. Set your camera to manual mode and lock exposure and white balance so lighting stays constant between takes. Select a shutter speed that captures motion cleanly and an aperture that maintains enough depth of field for your actor. Shoot at a frame rate that matches your final output to simplify editing. Record a short reference clip with silence to sync multiple takes and mark usable sections for compositing later. Coach your actor to move slowly and deliberately so their motion reads clearly when layered. Use practical props like a curtain, pendant, or loose fabric to create secondary motion and sell the illusion. Place discrete floor marks so each take repeats the same path and distance. Capture clean plates without the actor for background reference, and keep audio minimal to avoid distracting cues during editing and compositing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.